Friends, gather round because the American justice system just took a turn that'll leave you scratching your heads. In a scene seemingly ripped from a legal drama, Milwaukee County Circuit Judge Hannah Dugan was arrested. On April 25, 2025, federal agents apprehended Judge Dugan at the very courthouse where she dispenses justice. Talk about adding insult to injury. This wasn't some quiet, behind-closed-doors affair either. The feds marched right in and took her into custody. This wasn't some rogue intern caught stealing staplers. Judge Dugan is a respected figure, elected to the bench back in 2016 with a term set to run until 2028. Her arrest sent shockwaves through the legal community and left everyone wondering what could have possibly led to this. Now you might be thinking, judges get arrested sometimes, right? And you wouldn't be wrong, but the circumstances surrounding Judge Dugan's arrest make it particularly unusual. It all stems from a case involving an undocumented immigrant named Eduardo Flores Ruiz. Flores Ruiz, a 30-year-old Mexican national, landed in Judge Dugan's courtroom on April 18, 2025. He was facing 3 misdemeanor battery charges related to a domestic violence incident back in March. But things took a turn when ICE agents showed up, ready to take Flores Ruiz into custody. The feds weren't messing around, folks. They slapped Judge Dugan with 2 federal felony charges, obstruction of justice, and concealing an individual from arrest. These are serious accusations, and if found guilty, Judge Dugan could be facing some serious time. The crux of the charges revolves around allegations that Judge Dugan deliberately misled federal agents, preventing them from apprehending Flores Ruiz. Now, the details are still emerging, but according to sources, Judge Dugan allegedly provided false information to agents about Flores Ruiz's whereabouts within the courthouse. This alleged misdirection, the prosecution argues, allowed Flores Ruiz to slip away and avoid immediate detention by ICE. Dugan's attorney, Craig Mastantuono, has come out swinging, vehemently denying the charges and proclaiming her innocence. He described her arrest as not made in the interest of public safety and stated that Judge Dugan deeply regrets the situation. Adding fuel to the fire, prominent Milwaukee defense attorney and former federal prosecutor, Franklin Gimbel, didn't mince words, calling Judge Dugan's arrest outrageous. Gimbel argues that given her standing as a judge, a simple summons to appear would have sufficed instead of the dramatic courthouse arrest. Judge Dugan is no stranger to the courtroom. She's been a fixture in the Milwaukee County Circuit Court since her election in 2016. Known for her handling of misdemeanor cases, Judge Dugan has earned a reputation for fairness and a commitment to justice. Her career has been marked by a dedication to upholding the law and ensuring that everyone who enters her courtroom receives a fair hearing. Many have lauded her for her temperament, her insightful rulings, and her unwavering commitment to the principles of justice. Beyond her judicial duties, Judge Dugan has been an active member of the Milwaukee community. She's participated in numerous legal aid programs, volunteered her time to mentor young lawyers, and been a vocal advocate for criminal justice reform. Her arrest has left many in the community stunned and confused. The arrest of Judge Dugan has ignited a firestorm of controversy and raised serious questions about the integrity of our justice system. This isn't just about one judge, it's about public perception and the erosion of trust in the very institutions designed to uphold the law. This case also shines a light on the ongoing debate surrounding ICE's practices and the role of local law enforcement in immigration enforcement. The fact that this arrest comes on the heels of 2 other ICE arrests within the Milwaukee County Courthouse in recent months only adds fuel to the fire. The outcome of this case has the potential to set a precedent influencing how judges across the country navigate the increasingly complex intersection of immigration law and criminal justice. One thing is for certain, the arrest of Judge Hannah Dugan will have lasting implications, forcing us to confront uncomfortable truths about our justice system and its impact on the lives of all Americans. Stay tuned, folks, because this story is far from over.